In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a shape clickable in your document. Whether you're looking to enhance a presentation or provide quick links in a report, making shapes interactive by adding hyperlinks is a fantastic tool to have at your disposal. Now, let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First, you need to insert or select the shape that you want to make clickable. Begin by opening your document and navigating to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Click on Shapes, which will present a variety of shape options for you to choose from. It could be anything from a basic square to a more intricate star or arrow. Select the shape that best suits your needs and click to draw it wherever you'd like within your document. This shape will serve as the clickable element, so consider its placement and size to ensure it's visible and accessible to your audience. With your shape now in place, it's time to make it interactive. Select the shape by clicking on it, and then right-click to bring up the context menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Link or Hyperlink. Go ahead and click one of these options to bring up the hyperlinking dialog box. This box allows you to assign a destination to your shape, making it seamless for users to navigate to your specified location with a single click. Moving on to the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, you'll notice several linking options. Under Link to, select Existing File or Web Page. This option allows you to link your shape to an external website or file. In the address box at the bottom, you'll enter the URL or file path you wish the shape to navigate to. It's crucial to ensure the URL is correct, particularly if you're directing users to a web page, since any mistakes here could result in broken links. Now, to add an extra layer of user-friendliness, you might consider adding a screen tip. It's optional, but it enhances the interactive experience by displaying a small text box when the user hovers over the shape. To do this, simply click on Screen Tip, enter your desired message, and click OK. This extra touch can provide your audience with context or instructions related to the linked content, making their navigation experience smoother and more intuitive. The final step is to click OK in the Hyperlink dialog box. And there you have it. Your shape is now clickable. Whether in print layout or when exported as a PDF, clicking this shape will transport users directly to the linked website or file. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly effective for enhancing the usability and interactivity of your document. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful for your future projects. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorials.